Hello, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you make the most of your hard-earned money. In today's episode, we'll be diving deep into the world of grocery shopping with a thoughtful and detailed exploration of 10 tried and true grocery saving hacks. These tips and tricks will not only save you money but also enhance your overall shopping experience. So, grab your reusable shopping bags, and let's embark on this journey towards more efficient and budget-friendly grocery shopping together. 1. Plan your meals and make a list. The first grocery saving hack is to plan your meals and make a shopping list. This not only helps you avoid impulse buys but also saves you time and money. Before you head out to the store, take a few minutes to plan your meals for the week and make a list of the ingredients you'll need. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. 2. Shop with a full stomach. This might sound funny, but it's true. Never shop on an empty stomach. When you're hungry, you're more likely to make impulse purchases and buy unhealthy snacks. Eat a filling snack or meal before you go shopping to help you stick to your list and save money. 3. Buy in bulk and split with friends. Buying in bulk can save you a lot of money, especially on non-perishable items like rice, pasta, and canned goods. You can split the cost with friends or family members to save even more. Just make sure to store bulk items properly to avoid spoilage and waste. 4. Choose store brands. Don't be afraid to try store brands. Many store brand items are just as good as their name brand counterparts but at a fraction of the cost. Give them a try and see if you notice a difference. You might be surprised at the savings you'll find. 5. Use coupons and discounts wisely. Coupons and discounts can be a great way to save money on groceries, but only if you use them wisely. Avoid using coupons for items you wouldn't normally buy, and always check the price per unit to make sure you're getting the best deal. You can find coupons in newspapers, online, or through mobile apps. Just remember, every little bit helps. 6. Shop seasonal produce. One of the best ways to save money on groceries is to shop for seasonal produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are often cheaper and more flavorful than their out-of-season counterparts. Plus, eating seasonally can help you support local farmers and reduce your carbon footprint. 7. Grow your own herbs. Want to save money and add some greenery to your home? Try growing your own herbs. Fresh herbs can be expensive at the grocery store, but they're easy and cost-effective to grow at home. Start with easy-to-grow herbs like basil, parsley, and mint, and watch your savings grow. 8. Cut down on meat. Did you know that cutting down on meat can save you a significant amount of money? Meat can be one of the most expensive items on your grocery list. Try incorporating more plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu into your meals. Even opting for meatless meals once or twice a week can make a noticeable difference in your grocery budget. 9. Buy frozen fruits and vegetables. Don't overlook the frozen aisle. Frozen fruits and vegetables are often cheaper than fresh, and they're just as nutritious. They're also great for reducing food waste since they last much longer than fresh produce. Stock up on frozen fruits and veggies for smoothies, stir-fries, and side dishes to save money and minimize waste. 10. Compare unit prices. Finally, always compare unit prices when shopping for groceries. The unit price tells you the cost per ounce, pound, or other standard units, allowing you to easily compare products and find the best deal. Don't be fooled by packaging or sales. The unit price is the true indicator of which item is the better value. And there you have it, savvy shoppers. We've explored 10 thoughtful and detailed grocery saving hacks that will not only help you save money but also make your shopping experience more efficient and enjoyable. Remember, every little bit counts, and by implementing these strategies, you're actively working towards a more financially secure future. As we wrap up today's episode, we encourage you to share your own grocery saving hacks and experiences in the comments section below. Let's continue to build a supportive community of smart shoppers who learn and grow together. If you found this video insightful and valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content, as we continue to bring you more tips, tricks, and strategies to help you save money and lead a more financially stable life. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy saving and may your shopping carts always be full of great deals.